In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost a video on TikTok. So first things first, you need to go to the video that you want to repost, like this one here, and you will see the share arrow. It's pointing right there at the bottom. So just tap on the share arrow, and you're going to see something under send to. It's going to say repost. It'll have a yellow circle with arrows pointing up and down. You tap on that, it'll say you have reposted that video. Now, if you want to unrepost or take away the repost, you go to your profile and you'll see something here with the same arrows pointing up and down, and it'll show you the videos that you have reposted. And then once on the video, you'll see the text that says you reposted. Just tap on that text there, and then it says reposted. And if you want to say something with a repost, this is where you can go and just tap on say something like that, and then you can add text that'll go with your repost. But if you want to just remove it, you just tap onto reposted here and then say remove repost, and then it'll automatically remove your repost. So that is how you repost on TikTok, as well as comment with your repost. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.